I got my fingers crossed, buddy.
Come on, don't. Yes!